James was feeling unusually sorry for himself. I'm getting old, he grumbled sadly. I just can't seem to get about like I used to. It's alright for you younger ones, but my fingers are getting stiff. Edward, Gordon and Henry had all been on the fat control way longer than James.
Medieval bloody octopus!
He snapped sarcastically. It's no use you just sitting there moaning. Why don't you tell the fat controller that you're past it?
No!
But James didn't like that idea, especially because of the way Henry had said.
Medieval bloody octopus!
Not all old engines, so he'd heard, were preserved. Some, so they said, were sold for scrap. James shuddered at the thought, and quickly decided not to take a chance on it.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
As its name suggested, the midnight goods left the big station at midnight.
Oh really? Yeah, really? Oh really? Yeah, really? Really? Yeah, really? Oh really? Yeah, really?
James had to take it instead. And he grumbled like anything. Two days later, an inspector came to the shed. People who live close to the goods yards are complaining, he explained. They say there's a sort of groaning noise which keeps them awake at night. Would you gentlemen happen to know of anything about it?
No!
It's probably only James moaning and groaning about his extra shunting, if you know what I mean, suggested Henry. It is you, James.
Oh really? Yeah, really? Oh really? Really? Yeah, really? Oh really? Yeah, really?
Shut up!